Windows has an optional setting that can permanently delete files from your downloads folder, no recycle bin, and no confirmation at deletion time. I will show you where it is, then 3 safer ways to manage the folder without deleting anything. Open Settings, System, Storage, then Storage Sense. Downloads Cleanup is set to Never by default. If you or an administrator changes this threshold, Storage Sense can delete files that remain unopened past the selected number of days. My safest recommendation for downloads is Never. In Downloads, right-click Empty Space, choose Group By, then type. Every file stays exactly where it was. Windows only changes the display, so installers, documents, and images become separate collapsible sections without moving or renaming anything. You do not need a perfectly tidy folder. You need to find things. Use kind : equals document date modified : this month or size : greater than 100 megabytes. These filters work in any Windows folder and can be combined. The preventive fix is to make your browser ask where each file should be saved. Turn on Ask Where to Save Each File under Downloads. It takes 2 seconds at the moment when you still know what the file is for, and it stops the folder from refilling by default. Keep Downloads Cleanup at Never. Group by type, use search filters, and make the browser ask. The best fix is the one that never touches your files. Verify the result before trusting any cleanup system.